Despite its past marked by the war, this country has molded itself through its pristine beaches, rice fields, top touristic hotspots, and most importantly, hosting one of the 7 natural wonders of the world. This is Vietnam. Ho Chi Minh, commonly known as Saigon, it is the most populous city in Vietnam. While the traffic is intense, we've noticed that traffic lights are only a suggestion. It is a vibrant city, centered for the best street food and a variety of famous restaurants. And to get the most of your trip, we recommend taking the Ho Chi Minh City Tour bus. Designed to look like a lotus bud, which is the Vietnamese national flower. 262 meters high. Being up there allows you an overview of the entire city, as it is, to date, the tallest building in Ho Chi Minh. Consider this your shopping plug. Souvenirs, handicrafts, clothing, local fresh fruits and vegetables. Two hours away from the Ho Chi Minh city, Can Ya can be reached by car, 2 hours, and part boat trip, which should be approximately 30 minutes. For a 30-minute break, we stopped at a local street food market where you can find freshly caught seafood. The main attraction in Can Ya is the mangrove and monkey island trekking. If you have a fear for monkeys, you can skip this part. This trekking allows you an overview of the US Army camp that was hosted during the Vietnamese Wars. Part of the trekking is going on the boat ride in the beautiful mangrove forests.
Ciao ragazzi, come va?
You will also come across rather interesting alligators, crocodiles. I'm not sure what those were, but yeah. It is known to be the coastal resort town of Vietnam. The strip famous for its palm-lined beaches and coral reefs. It's all in the name, and it is very much worth seeing. And for lunch, you can enjoy from one of the collaborative restaurants freshly caught fish. I mean, look at this, it doesn't get any more fresh. Hanoi, the capital of Vietnam, known for its architecture and rich culture contributed from Chinese and French influences. The Hanoi train street is known to be a popular touristic attraction, as the narrow street features an active train track which offers cafes and houses, offering a very unique, thrilling experience for visitors. But apart from the train passing by, you can enjoy the good vibes. Five hours away from Hanoi city, the most common transportation is with a sleeper bus. Sapa, known for its terrace-riced fields and its rural feel, gives you a feeling you cannot explain in words. We started trekking, and before we knew it, we had locals joining us and helping us through the route. Shout out to Mama Lily and the crew. Last but certainly not least, Halong Bay, known to be one of the 7 natural wonders of the world. We booked an overnight stay, and this was worth it. With a few stops on the way, this place is a marvel. Your trip to Vietnam is not complete until you've seen this gem.
Country road.